Hello, welcome back to Chemistry Simplified channel. Okay, hope you all are fine, doing good, taking care of yourself. Alright, so in the previous lecture we have discussed Niels Bohr model of atom, its postulate, and also we discussed how do we write the electronic configuration of an atom. Alright, so in this lecture today we will discuss some basic terms like what is atomic number, what is mass number, what is isobar, what is isotope, what is valency and valence electron. Very quick, very slow. Very quick and very short things, not slow things but short things. Okay, so what is an atomic number? Atomic number. Very quickly we will discuss this. So in 1913, Moseley introduced an atomic parameter that is known as the atomic number, which was denoted by Z, which is designated by Z. Okay, so according to him, he said that atomic number is equal to the charge on the nucleus. Is equal to the nuclear charge. Better, we can modify it and say that the atomic number is equal to the nuclear charge. He said that the charge on the nucleus of an atom is equal to the number of protons present inside the nucleus. So he says that the atomic number is equal to number of protons, and we also know that an atom has no net charge. That means अगर atom में कोई net charge नहीं है, right? That means the number of protons is also equal to number of electrons. तभी तो उसमें कोई charge नहीं है. Okay, so we can define as the atom has no net charge. So in an atom, the number of proton is equal to the number of electrons. So we can say that what is atomic number of an element? Atomic number of an element is equal to the number of protons, and number of proton is equal to number of electron. Okay, for example, if I say chlorine, okay, chlorine's atomic number is 17. That means the number of protons present in chlorine is 17, and number of electron present in chlorine is also 17. Okay, next is mass number. First is this, second is mass number. What is mass number? Mass number is denoted by A. Then the mass number of an element is denoted by A, and it is equal to the sum of the protons, sum of the number of protons and the number of neutrons. Okay, so mass number is equal to the sum of number of protons plus number of neutrons. Proton is denoted by P, neutron is denoted by N, and this is denoted by A. So from here we can also calculate, this implies that number of neutron that is equal to atomic mass minus the number of proton. So if we know the number of neutrons, number of proton, we can easily find what is the number of what is the atomic mass. Generally for first 20 elements I am telling you, most of the cases we can see that the mass number is the twice of the, or we can say double of the atomic number. Alright, now next is what is the symbol of the element. Symbol, किसी भी element का symbol हम कैसे लिखते हैं? So suppose this is X is a element. Okay, so the atomic number and the mass number, they are represented on the subscript and the superscript. So the atomic number is denoted by this is atomic number on the subscript and atomic mass on the superscript. For example, if chlorine, or we can take any example, suppose lithium. Lithium is denoted by Li, its atomic number is 3 and mass number is 7. Okay, similarly calcium atomic number is 20, mass number is 40. Argon is 18 and mass number is 40. Then potassium, and so on we can denote. Alright, so this is how we can represent the symbol of an element. Now suppose if we have the number of protons given to us, we have number of electrons given to us. Can we find the number of neutrons? Can we find if the mass number if we have the number of neutrons and protons? Okay, let us see by an example. Let us do a question. We have A, B and C. We have three elements A, B, C. We have atomic number. First is 17. Then protons. I'm only writing P. Dash, 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 no dash. This is 9. Then we have number of electrons. Electron. Alright. Then we have neutrons. Dash. Then mass number. Alright, so this is the question given to us. ठीक है, अब हमको यहाँ पे क्या फाइंड करना है? For the first element atomic number is 17 and we know that atomic number is equal to number of proton and number of electron. ठीक है, तो number of proton क्या हो जाएंगे 17, number of electron क्या हो जाएंगे 17. बचा क्या? atomic mass. Atomic mass क्या होता है? Atomic mass is equal to number of proton plus number of electron. So if I calculate what is the number of electron, number of proton, then 17 plus 18, that is equal to 35. And the element, you can also identify the element that is equal to chlorine. Now here for the second element, electron is given 14, so that means the atomic number is 14 and proton is also 14. We can find the atomic mass, that is number of proton plus number of neutrons, so it will be 28. Similarly, when number of proton is given, we can write the number of electrons. Okay, and number of neutrons means the atomic number minus number of proton, that is equal to 10. So here, this is how we are going to solve this type of questions. We can even identify the element also. A is chlorine, B is silicon and C is fluorine. Alright, so this is some basic things. Now next is isotope and isobar. What is isotope and what is isobar? Isobar means equally heavy. And isotope, what is an isotope? Anyone? I am sure I will not get answer like this. I forgot I am not in a school classroom. Okay, so what is an isotope? Now atoms of the same element having the same atomic number but different mass number are said to be the isotopes. For example, chlorine. Chlorine has two isotopes having 17 as atomic number. One is 35.5, different mass number 37.5. Similarly, carbon 12, carbon 13, carbon 14. 6, 6, 6, we have 12, 13 and 14. Okay, so what is an isotope? Atoms of the same element. These are atoms of the same element having same atomic number but different mass number is known as the isotopes. Then we have isobar. Isobars means equally heavy. So here isobars are those elements which are having same mass number but different atomic number. For example, argon and calcium. This is the best example that you will be getting. Both have atomic mass 40 and atomic number of argon is 18, atomic number of calcium is 20. So this is isotope and isobar. Another very small terms we should know, what is valency and what is a valence electron. So valence electron is the number of electrons present in the outermost shell. For example, valence electron. Valence electron, that is equal to the number of electrons present in the outermost shell. For example, if I say chlorine, chlorine is 17, the outermost electron has 2, 8, 7. So 7 is the valence electron of chlorine. Why? क्योंकि उसके आखिरी शेल में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन है? 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है. If I say sodium, sodium is 11. इसके आखिरी शेल में कितना इलेक्ट्रॉन है? 2, 8, 1. एक ही इलेक्ट्रॉन है. Oxygen is 8, 2, 6. इसके आखिरी शेल में 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन है. Magnesium 12, 2, 8, 2. 2 है इसका वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन क्योंकि 2 ही इलेक्ट्रॉन है जो इसके आखिरी शेल में प्रेजेंट है. Okay. Then what is a valency? Valency is equal to valence electron, or valency is the combining capacity of an element in a particular reaction. It depends on the nature of the reaction also. Okay, so valency is basically is equal to the number of valence electron. For example, lithium. Okay, lithium atomic number is 3. Its last shell, it's 1. Okay, its last shell has only 1 electron. So the valency of lithium is 1. Carbon, I am not giving example because carbon is an exception. It is tetravalent. It has 4 electrons in its outermost shell. That we will discuss in next year in class 10th. Okay, so not now. Then another example, suppose nitrogen. Okay, nitrogen is 7. It has 2, 5. So in this case, the valency of the element is not number of valence electron, but if it exceeds, अगर आखिरी शेल के जो इलेक्ट्रॉन होते हैं अगर 1, 2, 3 हो तो वही उसका वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन वैलेंसी भी होता है. बट इफ इट एक्सीड्स मोर देन 4, देन द वैलेंसी विल बी इक्वल टू 8 माइनस द नंबर ऑफ वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? 8 माइनस 5 दैट इज इक्वल टू 3. सिमिलरली वैलेंसी ऑफ क्लोरीन क्या है? 17 है. 2, 8, 7. 7 तो इसका वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन है, लेकिन अगर हम वैलेंसी पूछे तो वैलेंसी क्या हो जाएगी? 8 माइनस 7 दैट इज इक्वल टू 1. ठीक है. सिमिलरली as example I can give you sulfur. Sulfur is 16. आखिरी शेल में कितने? 2, 8, 6. 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन है आखिरी शेल में, लेकिन वैलेंसी क्या होगी? 8 माइनस 6 दैट इज इक्वल टू 2. Okay, so this is the difference between valency and valence electron. I hope we have covered all the topics from this chapter. So here we have completed this 4th chapter, that is structure of atom. Thank you very, very much. I hope you will understand my lecture. If you like my lecture, please do like and subscribe it and share with your friends. Thank you so much.